guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Please take a moment, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That makes you part of the Delightful family, and we are glad that you are here. If you are already a subscriber, you know that I love you. Now today, you guys have been asking me some questions about the Instant Pot, so I am going to do an Instant Pot recipe. And it is low carb friendly. So we are making the Instant Pot chili that is super delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing we need to do is get our vegetables sauteed in our Instant Pot. Now here I have some red bell pepper, some celery, and some onion, and some olive oil. And we're just gonna put this in our Instant Pot and get it sauteed. Put your Instant Pot into saute mode. And once it's hot, add your olive oil and your veggies. We're going to saute these for about 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Add your ground beef, break it up, and let it start to brown. For our spice mix, we have chili powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, black pepper, smoked sea salt, and nutmeg. Now give that a good mix. Now add your spices to your veggies and meat and stir. Make sure it is mixed well for maximum deliciousness. Now add in chopped garlic, Worcestershire sauce, crushed tomatoes, fire roasted diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and stir. Once you've got that all mixed together, add in some water and stir it some more. Now once you have stirred for your life, put your lid on, put your steam release handle in the sealing position, cancel your saute mode, turn on your pressure cook mode, and set it for 10 minutes. After your awesome chili has cooked for 10 minutes, let the pressure naturally release for 10 minutes, then quick release. When your floating valve drops, it is now safe to open your Instant Pot. Now give this a quick stir, and child, I guarantee you have got yourself some of the best chili you have ever had in your life. Okay guys, here we are all done with our awesome chili that we made in our Instant Pot. Now I've added a little avocado, some onions, some cheese, and of course, some jalapenos, because you know I like it spicy. To mine, you add whatever it is that you like. You can put sour cream in this, just, whatever it is that you like. Now, this is pretty much the best darn chili you are ever gonna eat, just period. I also make my chili with beans the same way. I just left the beans out of this to make it low carb, keto, and paleo friendly. It's good either way. So I'm gonna take a little taste. Baby, I am trying to tell you, I kid you not. This is the best freaking chili that I've ever had. Like, it's better than any chili I've ever had at a restaurant. It's just a really, really great chili. And I'm not just saying that because I made it. So I hope you guys try this. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions that you have right down below. I try to answer everybody. Be sure that you are subscribed, thumbs up this video, and share it because sharing is caring. And until next time, whenever you are in the kitchen, make sure you guys are keeping it delightful and delicious. I will see you next time. Bye.